Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. So we were doing 6 chapter saving the sparrow and we have done almost 2 paragraphs. Now we will continue this chapter from see. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. So when he saw that one of the sparrow was caught in the power line, then it was hanging there, head down, desperately flapping. Now see desperately flapping meaning. Desperately flapping meaning is moving its wing up and down, trying to free itself. It means that bird was hanging there, right, head down, desperately flapping its wings. So he was, उसके पंख फड़फड़ा रहे थे, basically you can say, but he did not know how he could help. So Hiralal has no idea how can I help that sparrow. So Hiralal rode off to school. Then he just go back to the school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. Then he thought that maybe someone sees that, and then he will or she will help the sparrow to get rid of the power line. Next is, when he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. Now when he was coming back to the school, then he saw again that sparrow was still there and he was trapped. That sparrow was not able to get rid of the power line. Its wings were spread, but they were not moving. So what he saw that that sparrow's wings were spread, completely spread, पूरे फैले हुए थे, but that sparrow was not able to move. Hiralal began to worry, what if it died? Now he started worrying that what if it died? That obviously if that sparrow was not able to move, so sparrow can die. He noticed that other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird, trying to help it. Now he saw that when there are so many birds around that sparrow, because they can help, because they were trying to help the sparrow, but they are not able to help. Hiralal ran into the house. Mama, help me. Now Hiralal came back to the house. Now he started shouting like, Mama, please help. Pa, come quickly. His parents rushed to his side. Now when his parents heard that why my child was screaming like that, so then they said, what happened? They asked, worried. Then they asked, what happened? Why are you shouting? He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. Now he told the complete story, that he has seen one of the sparrows was stuck into that power line, and he pleaded. He said to the parents that I want to save that sparrow.